Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add business credit card to Chase app. So here's a easy workaround and a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily do that. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. So let's dive into it. So one of the major steps is to make sure that you open your Chase mobile app and log in with your username and password. Then on the step 2, which is on the home screen, tap the menu icon, which is a free line icon in the top left corner. Then on the next step, you have to select the account management. So once you select the account management, tap add account or link business credit card. Then on step 5, you have to enter your business credit number and required details. Then from there, you have to verify your identity with a one-time passcode sent via your text or your email. So once you're done with that, tap submit to confirm, and your business credit card will now appear in your Chase app alongside your other account. And that's how you can easily add business credit card to Chase app. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.